Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover a WhatsApp view once photo on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand how view once work on WhatsApp. A view once photo is designed to be seen only one time. Once you open it and close it, WhatsApp automatically deletes it. That means it's not saved to your phone gallery or chat, so you can't not directly recover view once photo. WhatsApp uses strong privacy protection, so once a view once photo is opened, it cannot be recovered from the app. The easiest and safest way is to ask the sender to send the photo again. This is the only guaranteed method. If you did not open the view once photo and you deleted WhatsApp, then restore it from an older iCloud backup. The photo might reappear as unopened, but once you have opened it even once, backup will not help. If a view once photo is already opened, it's gone permanently. The best solution is to ask sender or be prepared next time. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.